Hi, Chuck Huber here for the Stata YouTube channel. Today I'd like to show you how to create basic cross-tabulations using the new customizable table features in Stata 17. I'm going to be using the NHANES2L dataset, and you can open this by typing webuse NHANES2L. So I'm going to begin by clicking Statistics, and then going to Summaries, Tables, and Tests, and then selecting Table of Frequencies, Summaries, and Command Results. And this will open the Table dialog box. So here in the Main tab, I can select row variables, column variables, and table variables. So let's start off really simple and just select a row variable. In this case, let's just select the variable sex and click Submit and see what we get. So by default, this is just going to place sex on the row variables and show us the frequencies in each category. So we have male, female, and total. If we wanted to suppress the totals, we can come down here where it says Marginal Totals and select None. And if we click Submit, now we've removed the total. So let's leave the totals off for now. And let's select a column variable. So I'm going to select, come to Columns and select Health Stat, HLTH Stat. And when I click Submit, now I have a two-way table or a cross-tabulation of sex by health status. Okay. And if I wanted to, I could also add a second row variable. So I could come up here to rows and select race. And when I click submit, now I have race nested within sex, cross-tabulated with health status. Now this is just showing me the frequencies, and that might be all I want, but if I wanted to add percents to this, I could come back to my dialog box here and go to statistics. So I'm going to click the statistics tab, and here I can populate my table with pretty much anything I want in terms of summary statistics. So I'm going to click Create, and I want to keep the frequencies here. So let's leave, on the left I'm going to select Frequency Statistics, and on the right, leave Frequency selected, and click Accept. And if I click Submit, all that does is keeps the frequencies there. Next I want to click Create, and I'd like to add percents. I could add summary statistics, means of variables, standard deviations, all kinds of things. But I'm going to click Ratio Statistics and select percent. And then when I click Accept and click Submit, now my table displays both the frequency as well as the percent for my cross-tabulation of sex, race, as well as health status. Now if I wanted to, I could clean this up some, or I could customize it. So the first thing I might like to do is clean up the percents. So I'm going to come over here in my table, my dialog box, and select Format. So let's click the Formats tab, and here I can create a format for each of the cells or categories here. So I'm going to click on Create a Format. And down here at the bottom for results, I'm going to scroll down until I see percent right here. And I want to format the percents as a fixed numeric with 1 decimal place of accuracy. So if I click Accept and Submit, now my percents are displayed with 1 decimal place of accuracy. Now I might like to add a percent at the end of that, and I can go back and edit that format. And here I can check the box next to Customize String Format. And by default, it says %s. I'm going to add 2% symbols to that, and then click Accept and Submit again. And now I can see the percent sign next to my percents. Okay. And I might like to customize this even more. So if I go back to the Main tab, here at the bottom right, I can click the Customize button, and this will open the Tables Builder. And this allows me to customize everything I can think of here in my table. So for instance, I might want to remove this vertical line here. So I can go to Cell Appearance and Styles. And for borders, I'm in the Main tab, but if I click the Borders tab, I can specify separate style for each side. And then for the right side borders, for the pattern, I'm going to select Nil. And when I click Submit, that will remove that border, that vertical line there. I can also change the font if I want to. So I can click the Font tab. And maybe I'd like to change the font to Arial. So if I could change that to Arial, I could change the size, the color, things like that, and click Submit. And now my font is Arial. So when I'm done, I can click OK. And when I'm happy with my table, I can come over here to Export, click that button, and then I can export my table to a bunch of different formats: Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, HTML, PDF, LaTeX, SMICL, plain text, or Markdown. Okay. So that's how we can create crosstabs using the new customizable table features in Stata 17. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for stopping by.